All right, I did get in on the raffle. I ran up here because I had 3 minutes left by the time I made it up here. All right, they do have sneakers. I had to freaking run up the escalator because the up escalator was broken, so I had to run up the down escalator. All right, do got a couple dunks. Let's look around. All right, this is Extreme Board Shop. It is a skate shop. I've been here a few times for the channel. They got some dunks. They do got dunks. These are SB dunks, which are freaking fire. But yeah, got plenty of sizes. Oh, plenty of the smaller sizes, more for women. $140 for those. The material on these look fire. These are some dunk. Oh, I thought these were dunk mids. The way the top is right there. Do got dunk high decons, deconstructed. But yeah, do got a size 10 as well. More SB dunks. So we got the bubblegum thing on the bottom. $125. Oh, got huge sizes and small size. Okay. Still got the Be True. This looks like a grade school. Last size. Oh, it's a 2Y, so it's preschool. Do got the Blazers. I am a fan of the Blazer. The SB Blazers. Material's usually not like the greatest on these, but they are nice. $105 for those. See, like this one right here, the material's okay. It's okay, not crazy good, but it's very solid. I got this one, the material on this one's significantly better. $95 for those. These are Blazer mids. I got GT Blazers on sale right here. $65. Okay. Got a few of them on sale. The Grant Taylors, these are all $65. This is $73. And these are $61. Refuser size 8. There's 10.5 on that one. Got SB Forces. These are pretty dope. You can't get any dunks, man. Like, these are pretty dope, dude. These are fire. $80. Pretty good bargain or pretty good deal. They got quite a few colorways. Like this one, we've seen this at the outlets and stuff. These ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. $80 for those. Then they do have deals like everybody else nowadays. 25% off all Vans, not too shabby. Pretty good selection of the skate highs. That one's pretty dope. I kind of like the pictures and stuff on it. These are going for $90. You do get 25% off though. So under about $70, about $70. These are the half calves right here, go for $70. Material on this one, not bad. Not bad. If you're into skating, dope selection. If you're not into skating, they still got a few things here. Got stuff for casual wear. All right, let's go. On to the next spot. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Just hit up a raffle at Extreme Board Shop. Do have a Nike account, do get SBs and stuff. Signed up for the Jarritos SB Dunk Lows. That ended at 8 o'clock. That ended at 8. Barely made it here. Had to run up the escalators and stuff. All right, let's look around the rest of the mall. All right, these are the escalators. The going up is busted, so going down, I did have to run up that, and I'm way out of shape. So yeah, I'm tired as hell, man. All right, mall's about to close. I don't really anticipate finding anything, but all right, let's look around. I don't care when I come, always gotta look out front. They got these. I'd never seen these because I haven't been out this week. Do got the Wizards colorway of the Jordan 3s. This is a grade school here. And that's okay. I just wasn't digging the blue on them. I do love the 3s. I'm wearing 3s right now, but I didn't like the blue shade on this one because I'm not a Wizards fan. I'm just not. I do like the tumbled leather on it. Material's not bad. Elephant print is looking good. Not bad. Oh my goodness, look at this. Isn't this the What the Prestos? Going for $35? What the? Almost $100 off. Ain't these the What the Prestos? I'm 99% sure they are. But that's just hella cheap. Oh my goodness. Wow. Got the mid cousin right here. But I still can't believe that's insane. Got some, is this grade school or is this men's? Got some 2s right here. Maybe a women's too. Got playoff there. Dude, they got some surprises here. Look at this. Did they get a random restock? Cause look, PSG 5s? We ain't seen PSG 5s in a cool minute. I don't know what size this is because the size, oh, size tag all the way inside. That's the size 12. That is just random. Random. They got these. Haven't seen these Space Jams in a minute. Okay. Got these on sale. Got the Steph Curry's on sale. Maybe these will be on sale even more after they lose. Hopefully, as a Laker fan. Got Dunks on sale. Multiple Dunks on sale. Of course, like these are the last chances, so it's not like they have a bunch of these. Harden Volume 6s. Bosco's been finding these at the discount stores, which is kind of dope. And then also got the Aquas. Got the 9s right here. Damn, they not bad of a selection. Of course, like most of this stuff, they have like 1, maybe 2 sizes, but still not a bad selection. Not a bad selection. What the hell? $35 for that. What the hell? So I did look at the sizing on this. This is an XL. An XL, which is equivalent to size, what, 13 to 15, I think, in US sizes. All right, did check on this side. Not really seeing much. Not really seeing much at all. All right, let's check out the wall, see what's going on here. Not really seeing much. Court Vision's on sale if that's what you guys are into. I don't think too many of the viewers are into that. They always got a ton of Air Maxes here. They got exclusive colorways, which are pretty dope. I did cover that in my last video or a couple videos ago. Oh, they do have men's. So out of the few latest releases, 3s, it looks like they totally did not sell out. Like I said, I am a fan of the 3. I do love the silhouette. I do love the tumble leather, just not a fan of that colorway. 13 still available. I don't know if the Hyper, what are the pink ones? The Rusted Pink, maybe that was there? I don't know. All right, let's go check out some more shops. Let's go. All right, I think I got time for a couple more shops. They got Foot Locker, let's go. Got Grade School Vans, go for $10. $10 for Grade School Vans. Smaller sizes, 5, 6. For the kiddos, got these. Like the boxes on these are pretty dope, dude. Look, Cocoa Puffs right there. Pretty fire, even says Crocs right there. Pretty dope, $30. Yeah, definitely wouldn't be paying, what, $70 or whatever the hell those are going for. Then these say they're on sale, but I don't really see any sales tags or anything. I don't know, I'm just not digging these. Jordan section, nothing too crazy. They got the Citrus 7s. Got a couple things, nothing too crazy. I can't believe they still got these here. Like, throw them on sale already. And some LeBron NXTs. I've never seen this one. Oh, this isn't an NXT. It's a regular one. Okay, it does have the 2. Okay. All right. $210 for these. Like, mostly canvas. Like, canvas. I've never seen that colorway. That's the first time I've seen that one. Then we are starting to see LeBron's on sale, which is fire. But yeah, the basketball season's starting to come to an end. Seen some of these. I don't know what size they've been seeing these at the discount stores. Have seen a few of them on video, that is. I haven't seen them in person, but I don't know what sizes though. Is it just the bigger size? I don't know. And these are the NXT. Around the eye stay, it's just one layer right there. This one has like 2 little, like there's 2 layers. There's one inside, outside. This one just has one. Man, these are the NXTs, go for $160. It's smart of them, man. They got signatures, and then they have a cheaper one and a more expensive one. Smart. And all the older LeBrons on sale, pretty much like at the outlet show, $90 a piece. Kyrie's going from 100 to 80. We just saw that one for what, $50 at Nike Outlet Watts. Then all the other Nike basketball sneaker on sale. The Cosmic Unity 2s. Those are all on sale for $100. And then Zoo Freaks, $60, cheapest outlets. Then at Foot Locker, we have been seeing these on sale. The hair collab, this is a size 13 US, so smaller sizes are gone. But yeah, I did see these. The Club C with the hair collab, that super interesting material. $90 down to $20, man, can't beat that. And then a bunch of the other Reeboks on sale lately. I might have to pull the trigger on this. You can wear this with a suit and stuff like that, in my opinion. These just look really fire. Definitely a fan of those. Got the answers right here on the bottom. Oh, I skipped through that question right there. And then look at this. The Omni's going on sale. I will grab this if it goes on sale even more, because everything's going on sale now, right? And these have been on sale for a cool minute. Is that 9 different pairs of the Airmore Tempos? Remember, we couldn't even find those and they would sell out hella quick. Now they got 9 different pairs, a bunch of them on sale. That's insane. That's insane. All right, let's move on to the last one. All right, so I am gonna have to skip Champs as well as the Locker Room by Lids as well as regular Lids. I only got 20 minutes left and I don't want to be here till super late. Yeah. Got a Chic. Let's go check it out. All right, checking out front. Do got these bad boys. Full family sizing. And then got the 13s and then got Dunks, the platinum Dunks, I believe. These have been here for a while. Men's sizing. Maybe they sold out and they got some more. I don't know. But do got a size 8 right here and then some grade school. Got the white cement. There. Is that raffle still going on? Oh, okay. That is available this Saturday. And then if you guys have been missing my videos, they still do have an apparel sale. So all their sales apparel, 40% off the marked price. So every time you come to the store, you have to go through the apparel, see what's on sale. Because the discounts are pretty decent, dude. $100 down to $75, and then you get 40% off on top. Couple of hoodies right here. I have a Nike Day hoodies. Got shorts. Nike shorts are here. Man, Nike shorts. These are like hella short. What the hell? These are regular price, so don't think they have too much apparel on sale because stuff like moves super quick here. This thing y'all need to realize. Stuff. This is their flagship, so all their stuff just sells or moves a lot quicker than most other spots. So don't see all the apparel deals. All this is all the newer stuff because I've come here a million times and I recognize most of the stuff here. But yeah, this is dope, dude. Authentic Jordan jersey right here. Olympic jersey. We've seen the Magic one in places. Haven't seen the Jordan one in a while. These are fire as well. These are $3. Larry Johnson authentic jersey. Go for $3. Larry Johnson. College jersey, what is that? UNLV. Got Elgin Baylor right here, go for $175. This is the Swingman version. Oh, this is on sale if I remember. T-shirt on sale, $30. Normally $55 down to $30, and then you get another 40% off on top of that yet. So not bad. Not bad. Was that $18 for that T-shirt right there? So that's pretty fire. Women's apparel do got a Pippen jersey, $105 down to $99.99. So that goes down to what, $60? Small and extra small. The matching shorts. Those matching shorts, almost booty shorts, $80. Normally $85 down to $80, and then you get another 40 off. So what is that? $48. I think I found one of these black ones on sale for hella cheap somewhere and just pretty much gave them away, gave it to someone for retail. Oh, these Rodman jerseys. Oh no, that was it. Oh, these are the shorts. My bad. These are the shorts. The black shorts on sale for $75. So those are about what, $40 or something like that. So that's not bad. Got mine for cheaper, but that's still a solid price for freaking Bulls Swingman shorts. Fire. Then they still have 20% off already reduced sneakers. So these Hardens were on sale if I remember last time. $85 for these, so you get an extra 40%, or I'm sorry, extra 20% off that. T-Max still on sale. I kind of like this one. I do kind of like that one. $75 for that. You get another what, $15 off. So not bad. $60, not bad. These are $75, so $60 for those as well. Got every one of the Adelaide slides. I kind of do like these. Rose Anvil actually did a really good comparison between these and the Yeezy slides, because everybody says they're pretty much the same. Yeezy actually said Adidas copied them, so he actually did a really in-depth review. That was actually a really, really good video. And they're not totally the same. These are significantly harder. They are harder, and people have been telling me that, so it makes sense. They usually got a ton of J's, but damn, it's dwindling down. It's dwindling down, dude. Not much. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap it up, dude. Might be a shorter video, but I'm done. They're about to close, man. Get the hell out of here. I totally forgot to show what I'm wearing because I'm kind of in a hurry. I'm wearing a Lakers jersey, Magic Johnson. The old school colorways. Yeah, I'm wearing Lakers jersey every day this week. I just can't wear it at work, but after work and stuff like that, I've been rocking Lakers jerseys every day this week. I've worn a different one. Worn a different one every day this week. I'm lucky enough to do that, but that's only because I get them when they're on sale. Cause I don't know, $130 for every one of the jerseys. I think I'm up to like 8 or 9 Lakers jersey. I think 9 Lakers jerseys. I don't think I paid more than like 60 for any of them, so that's pretty dope. But yeah, man, let's go Lakers. Let's go Lakers. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Man, I was surprised to find stuff. Those Prestos, what the Prestos really go for $35? Like, I probably should have just grabbed them. I know someone would have wanted them. Bosco probably would have wanted them. He wears a size 13. I was really trying to rack my brain. I was like, who wears size 13? Who wears size 13? And probably should have gotten them for Bosco. Oh well, but yeah, he's like me, man. He don't need no more sneakers. You know what I'm saying? We end up buying so much. Like he and I both do it just because we find crazy steals. But yeah, not a bad selection, especially for like a couple minutes before they close. Definitely a little bit of a surprise. Nothing crazy, but them Prestos for 35, that was pretty dope. Some apparel deals at the Chic. Some of y'all, especially for the women, stuff like that, maybe stuff with copping. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Y'all really don't understand how much I appreciate that. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I'm always trying to drop a video every day of the week. I missed a few days last month. My bad, you guys. I think I missed 5 days last month. That's the most days I've missed in a month in a while. Gonna be trying to get you guys videos every day and stay tuned. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.